Sobrang sulit bawat serving na talagang magugustuhan at masasarapan kayo. For today's chibugan nga is Panda Express naman yung titikman natin here sa New Gateway Mall. So far, malaki at malinis yung place and eto naman yung menu nila. Yung plate yung napili namin may 2 entries with 1 side. Una nilang nilalagay is yung choice of your sides. Pwedeng half-half kaya half fried rice and chow mein yung napili ko. For my entry is firecracker shrimp and wok surge steak and shrimp. Another order orange chicken and yung black pepper steak. Nag-add din kami ng egg drop soup and strawberry lemon juice for drinks. And eto na yung pinaka-exciting part, kakain na habang mainit pa. Grabe tong firecracker shrimp, super sarap. Lasan-lasa yung chili sauce, yung lime juice, and yung sriracha. Ang sarap sa fried rice. Eto namang wok surge steak and shrimp, savory and slightly nutty. Yung orange chicken is so tender and ang moist. Yung black pepper steak full of beefy flavor and untender din. Even sa mga mixed veggies is masasarap, manamis and ang crunchy. Sa chow mein naman, medyo nakulangan lang ako sa lasa niya. Yung egg drop soup is light lang yung lasa since medyo oily yung mga kinain. Okay din na mag-add kayo ng soup talaga. Masarap tong strawberry lemon juice nila, refreshing inumin. And of course, yung lagi sa huli lahat yung free portion cookies with piece of paper inside. Ang sarap na ng kinain ko, ang ganda pa ng nabasa ko. Ayun lang, bye!